So far in previous video we learned how to create our database and tables. So we created a database named cold storage and table named customer, item and storage respectively. Now we are moving to another important step which is known as CRUD operations. CRUD means create, read, update or delete data. We will start with first operation, create or insert. We already have a table named customer in which I have field like customer ID, name, phone, email, organization and designation. So we will take input from the user rather than to enter detail every time in my Python code. So in order to take input from the user, I will declare variables like for name, I will declare variable customer name. And here, in order to take input, I write keyword input and in quotes, I will write enter customer name. And in similar way, I take input for other variables. We have declared 5 variables which we want to insert in customer table accepting customer ID which is auto increment type of variable. Now in order to insert this data inside our SQL, we will write a query inside cursor.execute. We will write cursor.execute and inside it we will take 3 quotes and then here I will write insert into name of table is customer, insert into customer and here I have customer name, then I have phone, then I have email, then I have organization and designation. Here I have this field which is defined in my table name customer. I want to insert some values. Values are, I will write ampersand s, ampersand s. There are 5 variables which I want to insert. I will write 5 variables and then I will close this brackets, I think which I have given a quotes and then customer name, phone, email, organization and designation. In this way I have completed with my code. Insert data. Now we will save it, for which I will write conn.commit and then print data inserted. Now we run this program. We have to enter customer name, phone number, email ID, then organization and designation. See, we inserted data successfully in Python code. To cross-check it, we comes to our workbench and here, as we already have a database name cold storage, we go and select star from customers. The name of the table is customer and we run this. You can see the table get inserted with the details. We insert in our, as we inserted the data, we can similarly view the data, we can similarly delete and update data.